What's going on, guys? Joey 400 back with another Vnotes. I'm back. The merge for my department going to the sheriff's office has been, stressful enough, and so many different appointments, so much, working so much, and the hurricane with the overtime and the emergency services, I haven't been able to video or do anything, honestly. I haven't even touched my car. I haven't even, vlogged anything because I'm always working, and then when I come home, I'm sleeping. So anyway, let's start off the vlog we'll start with the Vnotes. Yeah, it's been a long time. I got a package from MA Performance. Let's see what it is. All right, nothing there. Boom. OEM throw-up bearing from Mitsubishi. MA Performance carries them. So it's been kind of hard to open this. Hold on 1 second. Mint. OEM throw-up bearing. If you guys need the part number, here it is, right here. I need this because I noticed when I put my car in first and I let off the clutch or whatever, I hear a lot of grinding-ish sounds, and I haven't changed my throw-up bearing before, even after I put the Exetti twin disc in, so I needed this. So basically, this is the last part I need besides the harness for the second fuel pump, but I don't need that right now. I'm gonna be daily driving the car. And what I mean by daily driving, I mean like babying it until I'm braking the motor, the braking fluid, and then do the oil change, and then put the bigger turbo on it, then tune it, and then I'll be able to go balls to the wall. So hopefully today or tonight, I'm able to go over to Tigo's house and start swapping all the stuff off. If not, I'll do that tomorrow. I gotta go to dinner with my parents. So let's stay tuned. Let's see where this video takes us. It. Stroker. OEM, baby. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the transmission off, check the throw-up bearing, check the fucking what's it called? The fucking clutch. Exetti twin disc HD. I have the throw-up bearing here. Hopefully the throw-up bearing was the problem with certain things in there. Hopefully the clutch is great. I know the plates for the replacement plates with discs are like 500 bucks. I'm not too bad about that, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So let's go ahead and get to work and yeah, figure this shit out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got a few bolts off of the transmission. Started from here, went all the way around, all the way to the T-case. T-case is still on, so I gotta get those bolts that are under there, which is kind of hard. It's like all the way back there. Kind of hard with the motor sitting here like this. I'm gonna have to put it on the hoist and the cherry picker and pick it up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the turbo manifold off now to free up some room around here, so by the time Tico gets here we can lift this motor. Manifold. There's a 17. No. I think it'll work.
Or you can, from the other side.
¿Por dónde lo va a coger? Pero el motor solamente, porque le vas a sacar el motor, el transfer de la transmisión.
I don't know what they're saying, but
The transfer will come out.
the transfer has to come out before the transmission.
No.
Got this guy watching my channel over here. You watching my videos?
They suck.
So we're gonna lift this up, take the transfer off, take the transmission out, and then we can check the clutch. So hopefully it's gonna be good. So let's lift it up. Let's get this out. The transfer is ready to get pulled out. Just gonna pry it. It should come out. It's almost out.
Can you get all the oil out?
Yeah, it's already out.
Why aren't you pushing it up?
It'll fall on me.
Oh, yeah, it comes back in the box. Oh, it would be nice. Get something stronger.
An eternity later.
Forgot to get the transfer case out. You gotta take both rods out. So got the one on the inside of the transfer case on that side, and then this one came from the actual transmission. Whew, you gotta use a slide hammer right there. Now this thing should come out like butter. Like I said, one port's right there, and the other port is right here. So this should just slide right out, and the transfer case will be off. This is why you don't use fabric. You use chains. Well, it's off and I'm still alive, so. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys liked it, push that subscribe button, push that like button, put something in the comments below. Next video will be me swapping out all the rest of the stuff, the valve cover, the timing chain, the timing belt, all the pulleys, all that stuff. Hopefully, I need to get my car running as soon as possible. Also, I might be using Tico's turbo kit. So 6266 twin scroll manifold and its downpipe with open dumps. So, yep, see you guys next one. Peace out.